Guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanand from English with Blaze Vlog. So guys, today I am going to tell you one more story, and in this story I am going to add so many connectors. If you watch this video till end, so you will get to know so many things uh, about fluency. Of course, after this video you are going to enhance your fluency. So that is really very great way to practice in English by this way. So that's of course it's really very amazing. So I am going to start. Okay. So yesterday I was at my home and I was watching TV. Suddenly my father came and he asked me, Ganend, will you go to college today or not? I said, Dad, I will not go to college because my clothes are dirty. He said, okay, no problem. So guys, I started watching TV again and I kept on watching TV for some times. After that, in the evening, I got dressed and went to market. In the market, I called my friend and please come here. I'm in the market. He said, okay, I'm coming. So I started waiting for my friend. Suddenly one girl, she came to me and she said, hey, please show me because some goons are running after me. I said, how come? Of course, I'm here. Don't worry. And of course, after some time, some goons appeared over there and they said to me, hey, mister, just return that girl to me. Otherwise, I will kill you. That girl got scared seeing them and she started crying. She started saying, please save my life, please save my life. They will kill me. I said, no, 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 they can't kill you. As long as I am with you, they can't even touch you. Then those goons, they started attacking me, but I also started like beating them, and I beat them brutally, and after that they ran away from there. Then that girl said, okay, let's that then that girl said to me, okay, thank you so much. uh, if you had not been here, so they would have spoiled my life. I said, okay, thank you so much, now you can go to your home without fear. She said, thank you so much. Then she also said to me, "Oh, okay, what are you doing here? Why don't you go to your home?" I said, no, of course I am waiting for my friend. Until he comes, I will not go to my home. She said, okay. Then she went away from there. After that, my friend came and I started talking to my friend. I narrated the story to my friend, and listening that story, my friend said, oh, okay, great. You saved a girl today. I said, yes. Then I went to my home and I took dinner, went to bed and slept. Next morning, I got up early in the morning and I got fresh. After that, my mom, she said to me, okay, Janet, go to market and buy some vegetables. I said to my mom that, Mom, I'm too tired to go to market. So I'm so sorry, I can't go. She said, okay, no problem. And after that, I went upstairs and I started walking. Then I kept on walking for some time, and after that I came downstairs and I took shower. After that, my friend called me and he asked me, Garen, what are you doing? I said, I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to sleep. He said, what happened to you? I said, I don't know, but I'm not feeling good today. He said, okay. Suddenly, my someone knocked the door, and I went toward the door, and I went to the door, and I opened the door, and I saw there was my relatives. There was my relative at the door. So then I opened the door. He came inside, and he was asked to sit in the couch. He sat on the couch. Then I made tea, and after that, my mom was not there. My mom was uh, my friend's Rahul's home. Then I called my mom. My mom came, and then my mom started talking to my relatives. So my relative, after that, my relative asked to me, like my relative. So my relative asked me, "Hey, Gyanend, what do you do?" I said, "Yes. Nowadays, I'm learning English uh, uh, as well as my study." So he said, oh, great, you are doing your study as well as you are learning English. I said, yes. He got happy, and after that, uh, I started talking to my relatives, and he said to me, hey, He asked me, Gyanend, do you know Rahul who lives in front of your house? I said, yes, yes, I know. He said, okay, so tell me how he is. I said, as far as I know, Rahul is very innocent guy. He said, okay, that's great. After that, uh, I I asked uncle that, uncle, please have something. There are some fruits and tea. Why don't you have anything? He said, no, I will not have anything. I said, why? You must have anything. He said, no, no, I will not have. After that, he went away from there. And then my father called me, and I picked up my father's, I received my father's call, and I started talking, and I told him that one of our relatives came here, and he now he has gone. He said, okay, did he have anything or not? I said, no, he he had neither like tea nor fruits. He said, okay, why? I said, I don't know, he was not hungry. He said, okay. After that, I cut the call. Then I thought I should go to park, so I went to park, and in the park I saw there were so many people. And suddenly I saw one man. He was like quarreling with his friend, and he was saying that, hey Subham, you are not only my friend but also my brother, and today you have cheated me, how dare you. Then after that he said, okay. Then after that I also went there, and I asked that particular boy that what happened, why are you abusing him. He said, yes, actually he has cheated me today. I said, yeah, sometime it happens in our friendship, so okay, let it be. Then I came from there, and I just took shower, and after that I just went to my room, and I took a rest for some time. Then after that, after taking a nap, after half an hour, I just woke up, and I thought I should go to my friend's home. He might be at his home. Then I got dressed, and I went to my friend's home. There I just like knocked the door. My friend called me, come inside. I went inside, and my friend asked me, hey, what would you like to have? Please have something. I said, no, I will uh, I will neither have cup of tea nor water, so please don't do any formalities. He said, okay, then no problem. And after that I talked to my friend for some time, and after that like after talking to my friend, then I came back to my home, and finally I took dinner, went to bed, and slept. So guys, I don't know what I have spoke, but yes, I must say that I have tried to use so many connectors here, like as well as but, and, because, to, and like neither, and until, as far as, and like so many connectors I have used. So guys, by this way you can also practice. Sometimes you just try to speak any story related, any preposition and conjunction, and some words, idiom, phrases, and modal, causative, conditional, passive. If you make a story step by step related this topic, so of course you, while speaking, you are going to use each and every situation, so you are not going to face any problem while speaking to anyone. So guys, this type of practice if you do, of course you are going to become fluent speaker soon. And of course also in my next video I will teach you how to ask question. So guys, it's a really very piece of cake for everyone nowadays to learn English. And because we have social media, so we must take advantage of social media, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, and I will meet you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.